Hi guys, welcome to Maverick channel. As you can see here, I have this ring light studio kit. It says it's 12 inches. It's supposed to come up with the ball head design, tripod, wireless remote included. It says ultra wide range and LED lights. Of course, it is advertised to be great for vlogging, live video chats, studio media, live streaming, health and beauty. So it says it got 3 light colors, 10 levels of brightness. So we are going to check all that, and yes, let me go ahead and unbox this. All right guys, this is all what came in the box. There goes the box right there. It has the remote control, the rotating ball head, the phone holder, of course the tripod, and the LED lights. So let's put this together and see what it comes up to. Of course, it came with a manual as well. I'm sorry guys, I didn't mention that. It came with a manual right here on how to assemble everything. All right guys, here goes the tripod. As you can see, it is easy to open up. All you do is you fold the legs on the opposite side, and then you tighten it up with this so that it doesn't move once it is tight. See, the legs doesn't move. That way, even if it's on the floor or on a slippery slope, the legs doesn't open and fall off. So that's a good feature right there. And of course, we can always extend the arm if you want, if you allow me call it that way, of the tripod. So I think it is pretty decent. It doesn't look very cheap, even though it is not the best quality that's out there, but it is, I think it will be able to do the job. At the top of the tripod, you have this portion here, this knob that you unscrew, and that allows you to attach this end to the tripod. And there you go, you see it well placed, solid on top, and yeah, it's looking good. And of course the phone holder goes up here, which is very easy to attach. So I think the design is really nicely made, and of course we just screw it in like that. And of course it also comes with the rotating ball head, which you can attach in place of the phone holder. So as you can see, it doesn't come with a block, so you have the USB end. So you have to, if you want to use the light, you will have to either use any device that accepts, or you can connect this USB end to, or you buy a block and use it on the wall. So that's the only downside to this particular one. But all in all, from what I see here, it is let me come here, it is a really neat and nice device. As I am now inside, and I decided to test it out to see the different colors of light. So as you can see, it is shining really bright here. And of course it has the off. You turn it off, you turn it back on, and then you can change the shades of light. You see how it changes. So yeah, that's cool. It just depends on what color you want when making your video, and you can swap. And of course you can also increase the intensity by the plus, or make it a little bit darker. You see, it dims it down at the light. Yeah, so yeah, And of course, you have the remote control that I have not, let me just take that out. Of course, you can use the remote control to take pictures, and it's cool. So I'm gonna try that out on another video. Please subscribe, leave a comment below, and I'll see you on the next one.